Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can measure in Altium Designer. So let's get straight into it. So how you measure distance between some components or other stuff? It's pretty simple. So I will be showing you right now. So how to do that? So let's say I want to measure distance between these two pads. So I will go Control M on your keyboard, and now I will click right here. You see this green uh, on my pointer. Now I can click on the first one, and then I will drag to the second one, and here we have now measure distance. As you can see, it works also in 3D view. So we can do Control M and measure from this point to this point, for example. And now, as you can see, distance is almost 17 millimeters. So this is how you can measure in uh, Altium Designer. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.